Mr Magnolia by Quentin Blake. Mr Magnolia had only one boot. He had an old trumpet that goes and two lovely sisters who play on the flute. But Mr Magnolia has only one boot. In his pond lived a frog, a toad, and a newt. He had green parakeets that picked holes in his suit, and some very fat owls who were learning to hoot, but Mr Magnolia had only one boot. He gives rides to his friends when he goes for a scoot, and the splash is immense when he comes down the chute. But that's it. Mr Magnolia has only one boot. Just look at the way he juggles with fruit. The mice all march past as he takes the salute. And his dinosaur, oh, what a magnificent recruit. But Mr Magnolia, poor Mr Magnolia, Mr Magnolia has only one boot. Hey! Wait a minute. Now then. Keep going. What's this?